Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Ithaca Energy made a lacklustre debut in London as the North Sea oil and gas producer defied volatile markets with Britain's largest initial public offering of 2022. Ithaca's shares fell as much as 11.6% below their 250 pence issue price. Crypto custody firm Copper has arranged $500 million of insurance cover for digital assets in cold storage, one of the biggest arrangements in the industry. The cover was organised by Aon, the largest UK insurer by market cap. The Canadian dollar edged lower against its US counterpart, pulling back from a 7-week high as oil prices fell and investors awaited the results of the closely watched US midterm elections. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 3.8% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The dollar gained 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Finland's industrial output will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 1330 GMT. The Austrian industrial production at 0800 hours GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations will be released at 0 hours GMT. The UK's RICS housing price balance at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.